Welcome to Best Choice. The best flat top griddle cover is probably one of the most essential accessories for any outdoor cooking enthusiast, offering unparalleled protection against the elements and ensuring your griddle remains in pristine condition for every culinary adventure. Whether you're dealing with harsh sun, driving rain, or dusty winds, a quality cover acts as a robust shield, preserving the integrity of your cooking surface and extending the lifespan of your beloved griddle, making it a wise investment for any backyard chef. Number 5. iCOVER 36-inch Heavy Duty Waterproof Griddle Cover. Introducing the iCOVER 36-inch griddle cover, designed to shield your flat top grill. It offers robust protection against the elements, ensuring your grill stays in top condition. Crafted from 600D heavy-duty, waterproof material with a PVC coating, this cover provides year-round defense against snow, hail, rain, and wind. It's built to withstand it all. Sized to fit most 4-burner flat-top griddles, including popular models from BLACKSTONE and Weber. It features an included support pole to prevent water pooling and debris buildup. With high-density stitching and reinforced corners, this cover is resistant to tearing. The UV-resistant fabric with a vinyl coating keeps it looking new, even after prolonged sun exposure. Enjoy peace of mind with its upgraded windproof design, featuring adjustable straps and buckles. It stays securely in place, protecting your grill even in harsh weather conditions. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its water-repellent finish and convenient double-padded handles. Simply hose it down, and dirt washes away, making maintenance easy. What we like. This cover is built to last with its 600D heavy-duty waterproof canvas material. It also comes with a support pole to prevent water pooling. If you need a cover that offers robust protection against all weather conditions and is designed for long-term durability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is a good quality cover and it fits my griddle perfectly. The cover is made of durable material and has held up well against the elements. It provides excellent protection for my griddle, keeping it clean and dry. Number 4. BLACKSTONE 5436 Griddle Hardcover. Introducing the BLACKSTONE 5436 Griddle Hardcover. It's designed to keep your griddle top clean and shielded from dust, scratches, and the elements. Crafted from durable steel with a powder-coated finish, this cover is built to withstand the test of time and protect your investment. Featuring 2 convenient stainless steel handles, you can easily move it on and off your griddle. It's designed for effortless operation. When you're cooking, simply use the 2 hanging brackets to store it off the back of your griddle. This keeps it conveniently out of the way. This hardcover is specifically compatible with BLACKSTONE 36 griddles. Ensure your griddle stays in pristine condition with this essential accessory. What we like. Constructed from durable steel, this hardcover offers a sleek and protective shield for your griddle. It features convenient hanging brackets for storage while cooking. If you prefer a rigid, stylish cover that keeps your griddle pristine and is easy to manage, this is the one for you. What people say. The cover is made of heavy-duty 600D polyester fabric, which is waterproof and UV-resistant, protecting the griddle from rain, snow, and sun. It fits perfectly on my 36-inch BLACKSTONE griddle, covering it completely and offering great protection. The cover has adjustable straps with buckles that keep it securely in place, even in windy conditions. Number 3. Unicook 28-inch Heavy-Duty Waterproof Griddle Cover. Introducing the Unicook 28-inch griddle cover, designed to shield your cooking station. It offers robust protection against the elements, ensuring your grill stays in top condition. This cover features a high-level waterproof barrier with sealed seams, keeping your grill dry even in heavy rain. Its fade and UV-resistant fabric protects against all weather conditions. Measuring 45W x 23D x 25H, it's compatible with most 28-inch griddles, including popular brands like BLACKSTONE and NextGrill. Please measure your grill before purchasing to ensure a great fit. The included support pole prevents water pooling and debris buildup, keeping your grill clean and dry. Durable handles and fastening straps ensure it stays securely in place. Cleaning is a breeze, simply hose it down with water and let it air dry in the sun. This cover is built for long-lasting, hassle-free use. Invest in this heavy-duty cover to preserve your griddle's condition. It provides reliable protection, so you can enjoy your next cookout without worry. What we like. This cover provides a high level of waterproofing with its double stitching and sealed seams, ensuring your griddle stays dry. It's also fade and UV resistant for long-lasting use. If you're looking for all-weather protection with a focus on preventing water ingress and maintaining appearance, this cover is a great option. What people say. The griddle cover is made of heavy-duty, waterproof material that has held up well against the elements. It fits my BLACKSTONE 36-inch griddle perfectly and provides full coverage, protecting it from rain and dust. The cover is easy to put on and take off, and the adjustable straps ensure a snug fit even in windy conditions. Number 2. Royal Gourmet PD1301S 3-burner tabletop gas griddle. Take your cooking anywhere with this compact and easy-to-store tabletop griddle. Its sturdy feet ensure stability, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures and backyard gatherings. Enjoy ample cooking space with 304 square inches, enough to prepare up to 12 burgers simultaneously. The thick steel surface guarantees even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. Experience excellent performance with 3 independently controlled burners, delivering a total of 25,500 BTU. This provides powerful, efficient, and even heat across the entire cooking surface. Start cooking quickly and reliably with the battery-free piezo ignition system. A simple push of a button is all it takes, no matches required. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable grease cup that collects drippings. The detachable griddle top also makes post-cooking maintenance fast and simple. What we like. This is a portable tabletop griddle, perfect for camping and tailgating. It offers a spacious cooking surface with 3 independently controlled burners for excellent performance. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs a reliable and convenient griddle for cooking on the go, this product is ideal. What people say. This griddle cover is a perfect fit for my BLACKSTONE 36-inch griddle, keeping it protected from the elements. The cover is made of durable, waterproof material that has held up well against rain and sun. It's easy to put on and take off, and the adjustable straps ensure a snug fit, preventing it from blowing away in the wind. Number 1. SHINESTAR 28-inch griddle cover. This cover is designed to perfectly fit your 28-inch, 2 to 3 burner griddle with a hood. Please measure your grill before purchasing to ensure the best fit. Constructed from rugged 600D heavy-duty polyester with reinforced stitching, it offers superior tear resistance for long-term outdoor use. It's built to withstand the elements season after season. Its waterproof coating provides a tight barrier against rain, preventing rust and corrosion. Built-in vents reduce condensation, keeping it dry inside and out. Equipped with click-close straps, it locks firmly in place even in strong winds. No more chasing your cover across the yard after a storm. The UV-resistant coating prevents fading, cracking, and brittleness from prolonged sun exposure. It stays strong and looks new, even after peak summer. What we like. Built with rugged 600D polyester, this cover offers superior tear resistance and all-weather protection. Its unique air vent design reduces condensation, keeping your griddle dry inside and out. If you need a cover that provides robust protection, prevents moisture buildup, and secures firmly in place, this is a solid choice. What people say. It is a perfect fit for my BLACKSTONE 36-inch griddle. The cover is made of heavy-duty material and feels very durable. It provides excellent protection against the elements, keeping my griddle clean and rust-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.